Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skill. Now we are going to learn about simple present tense. Time, that is usage of simple present tense. Period. They are right now. For example, I eat mango. Always universal truths. For example, the sun rises in the east. Habitual actions, routine works. For example, I go to work every day. I take breakfast at 8 a.m. daily. Fixed actions are arranged programs. For example, schools reopen on 3rd August in Andhra Pradesh. Keywords daily. For example, I read the newspaper daily. Every day. I go to school every day. Often. For example, I go to library often. Usually I go to market. I usually go to market. I frequently go to Bangalore. She rarely watches TV and etc. Main verb present. Already we learned the main verbs and suffix s or es in the lecture 5th. There we learn V1 plus S or ES is equal to V5. We use it to the simple present tense singular. They are he, she, it are nouns. If you have any doubts about these, you can observe that video. Helping verb do or does. Here also does we use to third person singular. They are he, she, it. We learn about helping verbs in lecture 4th. Contraction. Contraction or short form. Do plus not is equal to don't. Does plus not is equal to doesn't. Here we must learn 6 sentences every sentence. That means every sentence has 6 kinds or 6 forms. So we must learn every sentence 6 type of sentences. Here we use does to simple present tense form to third person singular. They are he, she, it or noun. We use do, I, we, they, you, noun, for example, they speak English. Here it is third person plural. He speaks English. It is third person singular. These two sentences are positive statements. These are called affirmative also. We don't use do or does helping verbs in the positive statements. Remaining 5 sentences we use do, does, but we don't use them in the positive statement. Here, they is subject, speak is verb, English is object. He is subject, speaks is verb, English is object. We add main verbs S or ES to third person singular. He is third person singular, so we use S to speak. That is speaks. He speaks English. Second sentence, they don't speak English. Here we add don't. Do plus not is short form is don't. We write don't, middle, bit, middle, or between they and speak. It is negative statement. He doesn't speak English. He is third person singular. So we write doesn't. When you use does, we don't add S or ES to the main verb. That means in these 6 sentences, only positive statements we add S or ES to main verb. All remaining 5 sentences there are does. So we don't add S or ES to main verbs. They don't speak English. He doesn't speak English. Negative statements. These are negative statements. Third sentence is, don't they speak English? Here we write don't before the they. It is question or interactive. Don't they speak English? And add question mark. Doesn't he speak English? Here also we write doesn't before he. It is also negative question. Don't they speak English? Doesn't he speak English? Are negative questions. fourth sentences. Do they speak English? Here we don't add not. It is positive question. Do they speak English? And write question mark. It is positive question. Does he speak English? Here also we write does before he. It is also positive question. Do they speak English? Does he speak English? These two sentences are positive questions. Fifth, why do they speak English? Here we add extra WHY. There are some WH question forms. They are when, where, how, which, and etc. You try to write a WH question concerned word. Why do they speak English? These are called WH question. It is positive question. Same way, why does speak English? Why does he speak English? These two are WH positive questions. Sixth, why don't they speak English? We add here not. It is WH negative question. Why don't they speak English? Why doesn't he speak English? These two are WH negative questions. Third and fourth, questions in the starting helping verbs. So they are called yes or no type questions also. Because, for example, do they speak English? Answer is yes, and write first one, they speak English. Or it is we want negative answer, then we write no and write down second sentences. No, they don't speak English. Here, yes or no also correct, or Yes, they speak English. No, they don't speak English. Also correct. The same way, here also, does he speak English? Answer is, for example, positive, yes, he speaks English. Or negative answer, no, he doesn't speak English. WH questions, it is not possible to answer yes or no. Here we write or tell reasons also. For example, why do they speak English? For example, answer is they don't know other languages. The same way, why don't they speak English? For example, answer is they don't know English. So, they speak other languages. You try to write other main verb sentences also. Try to each one 6 type of sentences. Thank you.